Okay, hey everyone. Just wanna pray blessings upon you if you're watching this. I pray that you find God in every aspect of your life and let Him take over. Blessings be upon you all. Peace be with you and grace. Amen. I just want to let you know about this vision I'd seen through my meditation. This is the third meditation I've done in the vision. This was after one I had done right before. This is a continuation of the video I had done. After many mistakes of videos. Noises keep coming from the walls. I don't know. I live in an apartment and these loud noise, but it sounds like it's coming from behind me. And I got up to go over there, and then it sounds like it's over there, like in front of, like, I don't know. It's weird, but it's only in here. Okay. I don't know. It could be water or something through the pipes. Okay. Okay. I'll just read it. Do you hear that? No idea what that sound is. Maybe it's coming from the bathroom? How could a sound shake through the whole house? I wonder if I caught that on